What if you could trade real stocks with zero commissions, use margin to boost your trades, and even profit when prices drop, all in one trading app? Hi, I'm Andrew from FXEmpire.com, and over the past decade we've reviewed hundreds of Forex brokers, more than 80 each year. With years of experience, we know exactly what to look for, from hidden fees to potential red flags. Today we're looking at 50K, a new trading app that promises some pretty unique features, but is it really as good as it sounds? Let's find out. So what exactly is 50K and how is it different from other brokers? 50K is a real stock trading app designed for active traders in Europe. Unlike many brokers we reviewed in the past that only offer stock CFDs, 50K lets you buy and own real stocks while still giving you key tools like short selling and margin trading. After testing the platform, we found 4 key features that aren't typically offered by competitors. First, there are no commissions on US stocks, not just on trades, but also with no overnight holding costs. However, the spread fee applies. This is a big difference to other brokers who offer stock CFDs, contracts for difference, in which you don't own the shares but speculate on its price direction. CFDs have significant commissions and overnight holding costs. 50K skips those fees, which can mean big savings over time. But what caught our attention even more is that 50K offers high margin loans, allowing you to trade stocks with an initial margin as low as 0.5%. This means you can increase your buying power for a minimal fee. Another major advantage is 24/5 trading in certain US stocks. This means you can react to global market movements beyond regular hours, and for some stocks you can even trade in the pre- and post-market sessions. Finally, one more rare feature is short selling on real stocks, which is available for stocks traded on the US stock market, either NYSE or NASDAQ. This lets you trade when prices fall, not just when they go up. That's a big plus for traders who want more flexibility in different market conditions. With 24/5 trading, short selling, and a fast user-friendly interface, 50K gives day traders the flexibility to react to market movements anytime. But does it really deliver everything an active trader needs? Let's take a closer look at its security, fees, and platform features to find out. And if you want to check it out for yourself, there's a €20 welcome bonus when you sign up and verify your account. No deposit needed. This promotion applies to certain European countries. We encourage you to read the terms and conditions and the FAQ. You'll find more details in the description below or by clicking the link in the top right corner. Now, let's dive in. First of all, can you trust 50K with your money? The best way to check is by looking at their regulation. 50K is authorized and regulated by a Tier 1 regulator, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC. This means they must follow strict financial rules under European MiFID regulations, which help protect investors and keep markets fair. CySEC oversees brokers' operations, ensures client funds are kept separate, and enforces strict financial compliance. A key safeguard is that client funds are kept in segregated accounts. This means your money is separate from the broker's own funds, ensuring it stays safe and accessible. Now let's talk about trading fees. One big plus with 50K is that there are no account or maintenance fees, which many other brokers charge. Even exchange fees and financial transaction taxes are covered by 50K, so you won't have to worry about those extra costs. The biggest advantage is the fact that there are zero fees for US stock trading, only the spread applies, and competitive rates for other markets. Here's a quick breakdown. 0.1% for most European stocks, 0.15% for stocks in Italy and Hong Kong, 0.2% for stocks in Spain and France. If you're using margin loans to trade with borrowed funds, there's a small daily interest rate of 0.033%. But if you're just buying shares without a margin loan, you won't pay any overnight interest fees. There's also a daily interest rate on borrowed assets in a short position. Please visit the commission section of the 50K website for more information on fees. After reviewing countless brokers, we were genuinely impressed by 50K's transparent and competitive fees. It's easily one of the best offerings we've seen in the industry. Now let's get to the main part, the trading app itself. What does it offer? First off, we found it really easy to navigate. Signing up, making deposits, withdrawing withdrawing funds and placing trades all felt straightforward and hassle-free. Speaking of deposits, there are plenty of options including Apple Pay, PayPal, and Google Pay, so adding funds is quick and convenient. The app works on both iOS and Android and comes with some handy features like custom watch lists to track your favorite stocks, plus built-in filters for top movers, risers, and fallers, green energy stocks, meme stocks, and more. Charts powered by TradingView, giving you a clean, easy-to-read layout with different time frames and technical indicators. Key financial stats, market sentiment data, and analyst price ratings for individual stocks are another great feature to help with your trading. And one of their standout features, their proprietary market radar. This real-time alert tool sends traders real-time alerts on major price movements and financial events, so you're always in the loop. Now let's take a tour of the app to see how all of these work in practice. Here is the 50K app, and we're on the home screen. At the top, you can scroll through popular or top stocks by category, like popular or risers and fallers. There are some very interesting categories here. It's important to note that this app is only for stock and ETF trading. Also, at the top of the screen, you can see they offer a free €20 trade money promotion. Let's click that. This means users can get 20 real euros to trade on a real account. This promotion is only available in certain countries, so please check the FAQ page on the 50K website. All you need to do is sign up and verify your account. You can sign up with WhatsApp or use other options like email or Apple ID. After you sign up and verify your account, which takes about 5 to 10 minutes, there's another bonus which is available in certain EU countries. You can get up to €2,000 as a 100% deposit bonus. So for that, you first need to deposit money. Here are the options: PayPal, credit card, or wire transfer. You can choose how much you want to deposit or enter a custom amount. Basically, every deposit you make is matched up to €2,000. So if you deposit €2,000, you'll get €2,000 as a bonus. Now, getting back to the home screen, we're on the main page where you can see different categories, for example, risers and fallers, or you can tap on crypto ETFs. You can also search for any stock you want. Let's search for Nvidia, and I can also add it to my watch list, and I will see my watch list here. And here I can see my account summary, profit, and account value. Let's go into more detail. So let's open Nvidia. We have the live chart, daily chart, weekly chart, and even up to a 5-year chart. Here we also see the likely profit and loss. It's a simulator that helps you predict potential outcomes based on past performance, but you need to be careful as past performance is not indicative of future results. You also get key statistics on the stock and more. We can also open the chart full screen. The charts are powered by TradingView. There are different time frames like 1 minute, 5 minute, up to daily and weekly charts. There's also a range of indicators. For example, let's add MACD and moving average. Now, if you want to execute a trade, say I want to go long, I choose the amount I want to invest, the likely profit and required margin are shown. This is the amount of money I'm putting in, so the value of the position is $5.27. The margin here is 1%. You can see it increases, and I'm getting 7 shares. You can turn on a limit order if needed. You can also set a stop loss and take profit. This is the position I want, and I confirm. Stock purchased. Very easy and intuitive. This is for illustrative purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. If I want to see my open positions, it's here. I can manage it from this screen. Change the stop loss, adjust the take profit, and if I want to close the position, I just click one button, confirm, close, and it's done. If the market is open, this is done immediately. If the market's closed, it's pending. Back onto the home screen now. One important feature in the app is the market radar. This is where you can see news and receive price alerts on specific instruments. Let's scroll down. Here we have news, and it's summarized by AI, so we can quickly understand what's going on. Scrolling further, we can also see some gainers and losers. We can keep scrolling to find more interesting news that's popping, and all of it is summarized by AI. Here's another alert. Microsoft is nearing $400. And for example, if I want to buy Palantir from here, I can do that. I just open a position in one tap. Now I have a position and I can manage it from here. And of course, I can close it or do whatever I want. Again, this is for illustrative purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Overall, the 50K app is easy to use with built-in watch lists, clean charts, and helpful stock indicators like analyst price targets. Tools like Market Radar make it stand out, and the app is better than most in the industry. So what's the bottom line? trading. Should you trade with 50K? Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Here's what we liked. A huge range of stocks and ETFs from major global markets. Zero commissions on US stocks, only the spread applies, and low fees for European stocks. Traders can take advantage of margin trading, short selling, and pre-market access on selected stocks for more flexibility. 24/5 trading for certain US stocks. Easy deposits and withdrawals including Apple Pay, PayPal, and Google Pay. TradingView powered charts for a smooth and intuitive experience. Strong regulation and high transparency. A few downsides to consider. 50K offers limited technical analysis tools. Some indicators are missing and there are no drawing tools. There's also not much educational content, though switching between demo and live accounts is easy. So who is 50K best suited for? The app has something to offer for different types of traders. Day and short-term traders can take advantage of margin loans to increase their buying power, short selling on certain stocks to trade when prices drop, and 24/5 trading on some US stocks to react to market movements anytime. Plus, with zero commission on US stocks, only the spread applies, and low fees for other markets, trading costs stay minimal. News traders can benefit from pre-market trading on selected stocks, allowing them to react to big moves before the market officially opens. Casual traders will find the app simple and intuitive with built-in stock filters to spot trending stocks quickly. The analyst price target indicator is also a helpful tool for decision making. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right-hand corner to head straight to their site. Don't forget, new users can claim welcome bonuses. When investing, your capital is at risk. Consider the potential loss of funds before proceeding. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want more breakdowns like this, check out our channel. Oh, and this video might interest you. See you there.